We all know that pollution and climate change present serious threats to our planet and our future. As college students, we try to be cognizant of our environmental impact, whether that means going vegan, shutting the lights off when you're not in the room, or carrying a reusable water bottle. However, many of us unknowingly use products every day that have a disastrous effect on our planet's water resources. What exactly is the effect from these household products, and is it avoidable? Microbeads are small pieces of plastic roughly 1 millimeter in diameter, often found in personal care products such as face wash, body wash, and toothpaste. Approximately 808 trillion microbeads are washed down drains in the United States home every day, enough to cover over 300 tennis courts. After these microbeads enter the drains, they travel to sewage treatment plants, where water with up to 7 microbeads per liter is sent to aquatic environments such as nearby rivers, lakes, and oceans. These products containing microbeads are often used on a daily basis, if not multiple times per day. Given the 170 trillion liters of water processed every day, it is estimated that 8 trillion microbeads enter our waterways on a daily basis. Once they enter the waterways, plastic microbeads absorb pre-existing toxins and pollutants. Because they are so small, microbeads can be mistaken for fish eggs and are ingested by smaller, lower trophic level organisms. The toxins then released from these microbeads have harmful consequences on all organisms. In a controlled study at Uppsala University, researchers noted that fish who had ingested microplastics had slower reflexes and reaction times, as well as lower reproduction rates compared to fish who had not been exposed to the plastic pollutant. When these fish are consumed by other organisms in the ecosystem, the effect of the microbeads are passed on. The toxicity stored in microbeads is amplified as it is transferred to higher trophic levels in a process known as biomagnification. In areas where fish are caught for human consumption, this poses a threat to human health. The effects of microbeads on marine life and the resulting biomagnification that can affect humans are both equally concerning and important issues. The potential threat to humans, as well as a heightened awareness of our environmental impact, has recently led to more concern regarding microbead pollution. Microbeads already flood the vast majority of our waterways. Due to their tiny size and overwhelming abundance, it'd be impossible to remove all of these pre-existing microbeads. The only viable solution is to restrict the use of microbeads in the personal care industry. Many personal care product manufacturers, such as Unilever, L'Oreal, Colgate, and Johnson & Johnson, have pledged to remove microbeads from their products within the next few years, or have done so already. Governments in over 30 countries are also taking a stand against microbead use in personal care products. In the US alone, several states have already passed legislation banning or regulating the use of microbeads. It is important that we, as the next generation, curb the harmful and excessive use of microbeads. If the ingredients of a cosmetic product include polyethylene or polyethylene, it is most likely that it contains microbead. Instead of buying from brands and companies that use microbeads, look for brands such as Lush or First Aid Beauty that use alternatives such as rice, walnut shells, or bamboo. To identify products that are microbead free, look for the 0 in the green recycling triangle. And download the app Beat the Microbead, which lets you scan a product's barcode to determine whether or not it contains microbeads. Furthermore, you can support legislation and organizations working to prohibit harmful toxins and microbeads and promote the importance of healthy aquatic environments. Microbeads are an entirely avoidable detriment to our planet and our oceans. These plastics seldom cross our minds, yet they are wreaking havoc on marine organisms and habits alike. It is entirely possible, and should be our aim, to completely eradicate microbeads from our personal care products, and in turn, the world.